Hey there, Brian Rooney from Scorpio Marketing Group. Today's video is all about a brand new program called ReallySmartArt. Now, at the time of recording this video, it had only been launched 2 days previous, and I was lucky to be involved or to have access to this program prior to launch, so I was doing some testing amongst my lists. And the feedback was really quite amazing, and it should be, because this is a real game changer, this program. So what it is ReallySmartArt enables you to insert pictures into your solo ads, your emails, whatever, anywhere that you can use HTML codes. You can insert pictures, but you can also put words within that picture and with the code we'll put the person's first name, full name, whatever, username, whatever you wish, into the picture. So this totally personalizes whatever you're sending out, and I know from personal experience that when you start personalizing, your acceptance rates, your buy-ins, everything just increases, because people, when you call them by their first name, people start a real connection with you. So it's been around, the first name scenario has been around in emails and solo ads, etc., traffic exchanges, mailers, for a very long time, but it hasn't happened with being included in a picture which is included in any of those ads. So this one's a bit of a game changer. It's brand spanking new. As I said, it was only just launched 2 days ago, and I'm quite excited about it, not only for how it can personalize your solo ads, your emails, etc., but also because of the compensation plan. The compensation plan is out of this world, and we'll get to that soon. So I'll just give you a couple of examples of what the ads can look like. So there's a couple here. These 3 here were already done. So if I just click on one to get the code, you will see it comes up with a short video or a picture, whatever you decide, but it puts your name in there. So if I sent this to you in a HTML enabled list or email, solo ad, whatever, your name would appear here. So it just instantly gives you that personalization, that sort of warm feeling that you get when someone addresses you personally by your name, rather than just you're just another nobody. So there's some that are pre-designed for you. There's a couple here. I designed this one here, and this one, and this one. Very simple to do, and in fact I will show you how to create one. It's so simple, it's not even funny. So if we come into add a new image, as you can see, there is a placeholder here with nothing in it, so you need to find a photo. Now, just for the purposes of this, we'll just say, because this is just launched, let's go into search for a background to do with launching, and I've got some here. So you can see there's quite a few here. Alright, so what can we find? Let's just find something really a bit different. As you can see, there's many here. Doesn't really matter which one we use. We'll just save that. So I saved that picture to my desktop. So now all you need to do is, if you have an image which you have a website address for, you'll put it in here, or like I've just done, I'm going to choose it from my website, from my desktop. So you click on here, choose file, and I clicked on the just launch stamp, which I saved a minute ago, and you can upload the image. Okay, so there's the image, and you can see there's a little box here with some text. So this is where we add what you want to do. So if you scroll down here a wee bit, you can see the message, and you can use the font size, how far from the top, how far from the left you want the box to be, the width of the box and the height, and if you want to rotate it, and of course some default text here, and also the color of the text that you want. So let's just obviously we want to put something in here. One thing I will say that is a wee bit I think could have been improved, I'm just being a wee bit picky, is that I think these instructions, these tools here should be on the right hand side here so you can see them, because you have to keep scrolling up and down, up and down. Anyway, it's just me being picky, it's not major. So we need to change the text, so we'll just copy in here. Woohoo, merge. Now you'll see here it says you use the words, or you use that, copy that, where you want the personalized text. So when you want where you want the person's name to go, you type it. So I've got woohoo, and it'll put the person's name. ReallySmartArt has, and if you look up here now, has, and we're going to say ReallySmartArt has just launched. So obviously that doesn't fit there at the moment, so we will make the width a lot lower, maybe a bit higher. Okay, so now you can see that it's got bigger. We can increase the font size. Okay, so you can see what's happening here. Now we need to make it longer because I want this to go along the top. So we need to make the length, the width a bit longer, and we can go down on the height. It doesn't need to be that high. Okay, still doesn't need to be that high. And from the top and from the left, so we want to bring it in from the left, so basically we sort of want to center it. It's a wee bit too far. As I said, you're going up and down a wee bit here. It's a shame that these tools were in here. It would make it a lot easier, but I might even suggest that to the owner and see if they can change it. And just a wee bit left. Take it down to 100, somewhere around there. Alright. So it's basically just a matter of playing around. Okay, so that's centered now. We can maybe make the font a wee bit bigger, which means we need to make the width a wee bit bigger. Just a bit of playing around, that's all. Go quite a bit further. Take it up to 500, surely. Well, 600. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get it right along the top. So now we just need to square it up a wee bit. So we need to bring that down a wee bit. A bit more. To about 40. A bit more. Okay, so that sort of centered it up. Now if we wanted it to sort of match the color, maybe we want to change the color. Maybe make it red. Oops. Let's come into here. That's fine. Okay, so it's changed the. We might just bring the font down a wee bit. Because it's picked one of these fonts, that's why. So, as I say, you can change the font, you can change the color, you can change everything. So, we'll just bring that back down a bit. ReallySmartArt has. Right, there we go. So now we've got it. So just maybe a wee bit smaller. Perfect. Okay, so that will show up. We'll just get rid of that a wee bit. We'll make it not as high. Yeah, so it just doesn't block the little bit of the wording out. Perfect. Okay, so there's the picture. So what it's going to do, obviously now this is defaulted to my name, but if I sent this to you, it would say woohoo and your name. ReallySmartArt has just launched. Alright, so if you're happy with the picture, I guess the beauty of this is that every individual is different, and you can play around with this. You can change the fonts, you can change the size, you can change the color, you can change the wording, you can do whatever you really want. Now this bit here where it says dude, so what happens here is this is an alternate text for merge. So if you send out say a solo ad, and you've got this snippet of code in your solo ad, but the particular program you're sending it in doesn't use first name or whatever, then it will default to say hey dude. Instead of putting your name in, it'll say hey dude. That's all that is. So give it a name, just launched. Already got one, so I'll call it just launched 2 and save it. Okay, that's saved. So now if I go back to the dashboard, there it is there. Okay, and if I wanted to get the code, you simply click on here. If you want to edit it or delete it, click on those buttons. So it's as simple as that. Now, to put this into your solo ad or whatever, or a let's say a broadcast within a list, let's just try that. I'll show you how to do that. I'll just pause this a second. Okay, so I've just opened up my broadcast editor in Leadsly. This is a pre-written, this is actually an email or a broadcast I sent out yesterday. So just to show you, when you write it, you write just like a normal email or solo ad, providing you're in a program that allows you to use HTML coding. Very important. It won't work without source coding, right? So here's an email that I pre-wrote yesterday. Now what we want to do is I want to put that picture that I used yesterday, that I created a minute ago. This picture here, I want to put this into my email or into my broadcast. So you click on Get Code, scroll down, and we get this code here. All this code here. This is called HTML coding. So we copy the code, then we go back to the broadcast, the email, and you find out where in the email you want to put it. So let's just say we'll put it in after it is now live. So you click on the HTML source code and find where it says is now live. There it is there. Okay, and then you copy in here and you paste. So you're pasting all that code and then click on OK. Okay, so now when you come back, you can see that it has put that in there. When I send this out, it will put the person's first name in there. Now, obviously to me, that's actually a wee bit too big. So we can adjust that. We go back to the source code and we come into here where it starts. Just come on here, it starts here, maximum width 100%. So let's just take that down to 50% and click OK. And as you can see, it's made it a wee bit more readable. Now, something else with the code, obviously you're probably aware that lots of mailers use different formats. Some might be like that, some might just be F name, some might be in capitals and use different little things here at the start of them. So you have to, whatever program you are using, you have to make sure that that type of code is in here. So basically you come back into here, and as you can see, it is in there. So what that will do is when it gets sent out, when it goes to a mailer or the person who is receiving it, the program that you're sending it through will automatically search for the person's first name, and it will include it into the picture, just like an ordinary email does when you an ordinary solo ad when you put in the same sort of coding. Okay, so basically that's it. You can now see I've got the email, I've got a nice picture. It will have the person's first name in there when it gets sent. You can remove this part if you want, but I would leave it there because it defaults through to your back office. If someone clicks on it, you'll get a sign up. So as you can see, it just adds a real a real buzz to an email or to a solo ad. Pictures sell things. There is no two ways about that. If you think about any type of advertising, whether it's online or on billboards, in shop windows, whatever, pictures attract attention. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. I think this is, as I said before, quite a game changer. I'm only just getting started with it, and I can see a huge benefit by using this program. Okay, so if we go back to the program itself, let's talk about the compensation plan. Now, it is second to none. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go through to their video rather than me explain it all. I'm just going to show a snippet of their compensation plan, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So let's just watch this for a second.
Everyone who joins, while also richly rewarding active members. The result is what you're about to witness. When you first joined ReallySmartArt, you enter the system with a rank of Rookie. The 6 people on your right are your profit partners, and together the 7 of you will form a profit line. As a profit line, the 7 of you have just one goal, and that is to help you refer a new member to take up the Rookie position. Let's put that in perspective. You and your 6 profit partners will each have a unique referral link that we'll use to track who recommended someone to our system so that they can be compensated. At least, that's how it works with other referral systems. When a new member is referred to ReallySmartArt, they take on the Rookie rank and will always be referred to as the direct referral of the person to their right. In this instance, that person on the right is you. This occurs whenever a new member joins the system, regardless of whether they followed your referral link or one belonging to one of your profit partners. Credit for the direct referral will always go to the person who holds the rank of Rookie in that specific profit line. When that happens, a couple of things happen. First, because you are a Rookie, you're credited with the new referral, making the new member your direct referral, and you receive a $10 commission straight away. Second, because you all work together to refer a new member, each of your profit partners will also receive a $10 commission. Then, just because you're a Rookie, we'll give you an extra $10. At ReallySmartArt, we enjoy rewarding members who are actively working the system. So, even though you received credit for the new referral, we'll reward the member who actually referred the new Rookie with an additional $10. Of course, if you refer the new member to the Rookie position yourself, you'll receive the referral bonus, which means you can earn up to $30 commission on your very first referral. For those of you keeping track, more than 60% of the sign-up cost is paid out in commissions to our members. Last but not least, because you and your profit partners attracted a new Rookie into your profit line, all 7 of you are promoted to the next higher rank. For the Rookie who's just joined, he or she now has you and 5 more members to the right as your profit partners. And together, the 7 of you have only one goal. All 7 of you will now work together to ensure the new Rookie gets a referral. And when that happens, all 7 of you will be paid again, just as we noticed with the previous scenario. Every time this occurs, everyone in the profit line is paid and promoted to the next higher level. The highest rank you may obtain is Grand Master, after which you'll retire out of the profit line. This is when things really begin to get interesting. You'll notice that by the time you reach retirement for the first time, you've recovered a minimum of $80 of your sign-up cost, and we're still not done paying you. When you reach retirement, the only way out is to refer a new member to ReallySmartArt without the assistance of your profit partners. That's because your new referral will create a new profit line for you. with the new rookie acting as your direct referral. We will also pay you $30 for each new profit line you start. And because you'll need profit partners to help you promote your new profit line, your original 6 profit partners will be grandfathered into your new profit line, which means they'll be paid again as well. Of course, every time one of your direct referrals begins a new profit line, you'll be added as one of the profit partners and receive a $10 commission. This also applies to the next 5 recruits on your left. To put this into perspective, every new profit line you start has the potential to make you at least $300, and that's only on the first run of that profit line. That's $300 for only one run of one profit line, and you can start as many profit lines as you desire.
Okay, so there is a lot more to the compensation plan, but obviously if you want to see more, just sign up and you'll see it. I'm sure you can realize how so beneficial, how lucrative that compensation plan is. I've never seen anything like it in all my years of affiliate marketing. So I just love it. Now, I just started this a couple of days ago, and I see this morning I got a $10 commission. So one of my uplines referred someone, and I got one of those $10 commissions. And I'm expecting that some of the people, some of the videos I've seen in the training, people have been getting these commissions from their upline before they've even promoted the program, their affiliate link, and before they even have a referral of their own. So, as it says in the video, there are 7 people working to make you money and to build your line. There's you and 6 others at any one time. So you can, I'm sure you can instantly see how powerful that compensation plan is. So, okay, what else can I show you? The affiliate links and tools. You can come into here. So your affiliate link, your basic affiliate link, which is just a small one. You copy that and send it out. That would be a link you would put into a solo ad or an email or whatever. And it won't break frames, so perfect for mailers and traffic exchanges. This one is a different sort of a link. It just goes into a wee bit more detail, but you can't use that in mailers, etc. It will break frames, so don't use that one in solo ads. Use the top one. This one here would be used if you were, for example, maybe emailing a friend or whatever. It's not within a mailer or a traffic exchange where it has to stay within frames. So without getting too technical, just use the second one, the secondary affiliate link, for maybe cold calling to a list or whatever, that not in a mailer or a traffic exchange. Okay. Now there are banners, the blog posts, capture pages, splash pages. Now these you can use in you can use the links in these within mailers and traffic exchanges. They don't break the pages, so they're fine to use. There are some already here that you can use. I've used a few. I've put them on Twitter and I've put them on Facebook as well, so I'm expecting those to kick in quite soon. There's all sorts of things. Tear off strips if you wanted to print these off and put them, for example, up on a notice board somewhere at a club or your local mall or whatever. You could print that off. It would have your affiliate link in here. You just modify them, put your link in, and their little tear off strips. That's a fantastic way. Obviously you adapt them by putting your phone number, and your affiliate link would be different. So I really like this program. I really do. It is, I think it's something that when people start seeing all these pictures in their emails or in their solo ads, etc., or broadcasts, or however they're receiving advertising, when they start seeing all these pictures, they're going to go, wow, how are people doing this? And obviously if you include the picture, like I did before with this bit, powered by ReallySmartArt, if you leave that there and people click on that, then obviously people are going to join your team. So I think this is going to be a real easy way to build your team and to get commissions helped by 6 other people at any one time. So that's why I just love this program so much. So that's really, I think, all I wanted to cover. Hang on, I'll just check my notes. Yeah, I think I've covered everything that I want to cover. Obviously, there is a lot more to the website. There's a lot of things in here that I won't go through on this video. It'll take too long. There's a very good help and support. I have personally dealt with the support and got a very quick response always. I know the owner. I deal with them through my traffic site. So there's a lot to it. Really smart art. I think if you're a serious marketer, it would be wise to check this out because it's right at the start. It's just been launched. At the time of this video, it was like 2 days ago, and I think everyone's going to jump on board with it. There's a lot of buzz about the affiliate marketing world already about it, so don't get left behind. Jump on this one. It's very, very easy to use. There's lots of there's training, etc. Every single one last thing, every single thing that you want to look at. If you click on these, there's a section help in every one. So lots of training, very easy to follow, very, very well set up. So you won't have any trouble whatsoever. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope to see you on my Really Smart Art team very, very soon, and we can build our lists and build our commissions together. So Brian Rooney signing out. You have a great day.